In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Invoices, how to send a payment receipt, 5 minutes. If a customer has paid an invoice and you want to send a formal receipt straight from Xero, this walkthrough will take you from sign in to send, step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Xero accounting login page. Click Login to bring up the secure sign-in screen, then enter your email and password. If your organization uses additional security, complete that as prompted and click Login again to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. Next, look to the top navigation bar and click Business. From the drop-down, choose Invoices to view your sales activity. Inside the Invoices area, switch to the Paid tab. This tab lists invoices that Xero recognizes as fully paid, which is important because receipts can only be sent for payments that have been recorded. Find the entry you're working on and select and click the customer to open the relevant paid invoice. On the invoice screen, look for the payment link. This link takes you directly to the bank transaction or payment record associated with that invoice, which is where Xero lets you issue a receipt. Click the payment link to open the payment details. In the payment view, click Options. From the menu that appears, select Send Receipt. Xero will open a simple message window with the receipt ready to go. Here, enter the customer email address. Make sure you type it carefully and verify there are no typos, as this is the address that will receive the official confirmation of payment. You can also glance over the subject and message preview to ensure it looks clear and professional. When everything looks right, click Send. Xero will dispatch the receipt to the email address you entered and log that action in the transaction history, so you have a record it was sent. If the customer mentions they didn't receive it, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder, then confirm you used the correct address. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Invoices, go to Paid, open the customer's paid invoice, follow the payment link, choose Options, select Send Receipt, enter the email, and send. With this flow, you'll deliver clean, consistent payment confirmations in just a few clicks, helping your customers and your records stay perfectly aligned.